Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This person got a little too close to a whale and almost got slapped.
When I was born, my mom bought 2 copies of the same stuffed animal. This one she kept pristine in a cabinet, and the other one she let me play with.
A few days ago, a massive volcano in the Pacific Ocean exploded and could be seen from space.
Oh shit, you got corona.
Oh man, no I don't.
No,
Come on, man.
You do got corona.
One of my subscribers has a trebuchet in their backyard and wanted to share it with all of you.
3, 2, 1.
A bird somehow got on a plane that was going from the USA to Europe. A bunch of deer came over and started licking this cat.
Travis took a video and this one shoved his nose in the camera too.
I got a video.
No, I got it.
So
There were too many boys in the boys' bathroom, so the police had to come and kick them out.
Give me a kiss. Thank you, baby.
I'm FaceTime my mom.
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.